my name is Alicia Kaysen. This is for Software and Development 1. This is my software testing plan. And this is a software testing plan for the cozygame database management. So, our introduction, we're defining the roadmap for system verification, data integrity, and error resilience. So, defining the test plan. A strategic roadmap. A software test plan acts as a formal guide for the quality assurance process. It outlines exactly what will be tested, how these tests will be executed. The key importance, it helps stakeholders understand project health, ensuring that software is reliable, predictable, and meets all requirements. So our testing methodology, we have our positive paths, our negative paths, and data integrity. So I'm going to start with the positive paths. Verify the happy path, ensuring the system behaves correctly when provided with valid data. Negative paths, ensuring the system handles bad data or invalid inputs gracefully without crashing. And data integrity, guaranteeing that our library and rating records remain accurate, consistent during all operations. So we have our flowchart for adding data criteria. So essentially, we're going to put input data, titles of rating, verify integers in the unique ID. If it's not an integer or is it not the right ID, will end up in the fail error message. If it is correct, then we'll put in the pass and it's able to be saved. Logic verification, the system checks for data type matches and primary key uniqueness. We test entering a strike light ABC into an ID field triggers an error message. Goal is to confirm the valid new games appear correctly in the system library after saving. We have our flowchart for deleting data. So we're going to input the game ID to delete. It should be able to scan the collection and delete it. If not, it's going to fail ID was not found. That's if we put an invalid ID. So search and removal. Searching the array list for a specific game ID. We test if the system can handle requests for IDs that do not exist. Verification. If the ID is found, the game is removed. If not, a not found message is displayed gracefully. Right, so updating our rating. So we're input the ID and new rating. The rating should be between 1 and 10. If it's out of range, it will fail. If it is in range, the rating is updated. So range validation, testing our set comfy rating method. We provide values like 5 to confirm a pass and 99 to confirm a fail. Outcome, ensuring the original data is protected if an invalid update is attempted. So that way it won't crash if you put in, for example, like they say 99, which we're only doing 1 through 10. It won't crash. It would just simply say out of range, try again. View library custom action, which is our custom action, is to being able to basically view all of the inputs that you put in. So they're going to push the view all. It's going to check the size less than 0. If it's empty, it's going to state the message that you have nothing. If so, it's going to list all of the inputs that you put in, basically the library that you put in. So empty state resilience. The test ensures a smooth experience by checking the library states before displaying anything on screen. Behavior, if the library size is 0, the system provides a friendly library is empty message instead of a blank screen or a crash. Handling bad data. So input mismatches. The system identifies and rejects string inputs when integers are requested, an ID or rating fails. So anything that's supposed to be an integer should be an integer. Range restriction. Comfy ratings are strictly verified to ensure they fit the project range, which is, again, not less than 1, or less than or equal to 1, or no greater than 10. Persistent logic. The system verifies connectivity and record existence before executing and deleting or updating logic. So our test scenarios. So we're going for our scenario for add game, the user inputs ABC, which we know is supposed to be integers or numbers. The expected outcome should be rejected non-numeric ID. Same thing for scenario remove. The ID, somebody put 999, missing. It should expect the outcome, fail, ID not found, status message. Scenario update, rating 99, range. Fail, expected outcome is fail, validation, logic, return false. Scenario for view, user input, empty library. Expected outcome, status, library is currently empty. And that's just the sources for the one image that I had in there. Thank you. I appreciate you.